Once upon a time, there was a little bird named Tweety. Tweety was always very curious and loved to explore the world around her. One day she saw a beautiful shiny object on the ground and flew down to investigate. It was a piece of glass. Tweety picked it up and put it in her nest, thinking it would make a nice decoration. But as the day passed, Tweety's nest became more and more uncomfortable. The glass piece was sharp and poked her, and it became hard to sleep or rest. Tweety realized that her curiosity had caused her pain and discomfort. From that day, Tweety learned to become more cautious and thoughtful before acting on her curiosity. She remembered to consider the consequences of her action before making a decision.